Hey, it's Todd Ault. It is the 23rd of June, is the 100th episode of Risk On. Can you believe that?
Are you sure about that?
Yeah,
Hey, yo.
it's true. 100th episode. Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome to Risk On. Risk On.
Risk on.
Risk On. Risk On. Risk On. Risk On. This is Risk On. Hey, it's Todd Ault. It's Risk On. What may be the greatest show ever about risk? I want you to watch the damn show. Go. Yeah, here we go.
The greatest show about risk. Risk On.
What I like about Risk On is their support and help.
Risk On is by far the best show that I've ever seen.
Very impressed with the show.
I'm a big fan of the Risk On show.
Yo, what up, Risk On? Happy 100.
Happy 100.
Congratulations on reaching 100 episodes. Really enjoy the show.
I started the show to create Risk On to talk about the risk I've been taking for the last 32 years and how I've built what I've built and lost what I've lost. I've had winners, I've had losers, but I've kind of hung in there. Those people who know me, some people say I'm a pit bull. Some people say, I don't know what they say. I'm overweight maybe. But one thing for sure is that I never give up. And this is a show about risk and how you take it. If you look at the things I've done over my lifetime, I have bought things that other people didn't want, and then later they wanted them.
I think I can explain it.
Can you?
Yeah, so like for example, when you're in a neighborhood, this could be particularly a nice neighborhood where they might have like a curb alert. They put something out there that they just don't want to mess with anymore. Maybe it's a little bit
Are you saying that I'm picking stuff up off the curb?
Yeah, you're grabbing it, dusting it off.
Am I dumpster diving?
You kind of are.
Wow.
Yeah.
He called me a dumpster diver. Jason, as you guys know, the reason I had him on the show and have him on the show is because Jason's a risk analysis guy. And where does he get that from? Playing poker, looking at the odds. And Jason's changed my game. I go to him all the time and say, kind of, what's risk reward here? What do you see as downside? Let's look at this from an analysis on an individual position. Market's kind of a bloodbath.
Yeah.
Pretty ugly.
Yeah.
Today was crazy.
Yeah.
Today was a crazy day. The Dow's rallying today.
It was a bloodbath in crypto.
Smashed.
Today is the strangest day. But hey, are we telling everybody?
What are we doing?
On Monday.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to wait?
We want to do it at the end of the day?
Nah, let's go ahead.
We're going to do the show live Monday.
We'll do it live.
Hey, it's Todd Ault. It's March 8th. We are live for the first time. And let me be clear. We are not exactly new. We're new to the live game, so I appreciate everyone's patience there as we try to figure this out. The show's improved now because Skyla's in the house. Check out Skyla. There she is.
Yes.
All right. It's the 56th episode of Risk On, and we're in our new studio. Hey, this is a new studio. There's a big screen behind. Look at their full screen. You can see everything there. That's kind of cool.
That's nice.
What's up with the comments?
I don't know. Why are we getting...
What the heck is going on here?
You know what happened?
I can't talk about naked brands.
They're all here.
I can't
Dude,
talk about
naked
naked
army's
brands.
here. What is going on here?
There's a naked army here.
I see it.
You guys are killing me.
Jeez.
And we wouldn't normally cover a stock sort of under $1. We have a reason to pay attention to it, as everyone probably knows through some filings. For full disclosure, I'm allowed to say I'm long naked brands.
Yes.
I can't say anything else about buying and selling, but I can tell you that I have a long position in naked brands. I'm so pumped that Aaron Schock has joined us in studio. One of the youngest elected congressmen ever, right? Bradley's in the house.
What it is.
Look at
Dropping
that, baby.
bombs.
Darren's in the house. Darren is the CEO of a company called Ault Alliance. So this is Don Doney III. Wow, modern technology. He's in the back. This is great. Armada.
We got double armadas. Welcome to the Risk On show, guys.
Marshall's on there. You guys got to follow this guy. I'm telling you, go to his Instagram. I'm not going to give up on this one.
Dude, let's have him on the show.
I want Marshall on the show. Right. He is great.
All right, welcome aboard this full-time gig. Let's go.
Wow,
let's
I
get
can't
it
believe
done,
you
man.
just said that.
More value.
We got a new thing called Risk On Rewind, and it covers every time we talk about a stock.
GameStop,
Sparky,
Mosey. Papa Gorilla's restaurant. We got to get some food.
Well, I know we got to do that. He knows we're big on food here, right? Tomorrow, guys, we're going to have Papa Gorilla's food on set, and we're going to eat it. Hey, can you hand me a piece of that chicken? I didn't have any of that chicken. We are eating Dominican food.
Papa G shipped it next day air, early a.m.
Ooh, the mashed potatoes are really good. I love mashed potatoes.
We gonna play that video?
We can do the other one,
Yeah, let's do the video.
This is Phil Mansour from Alba, Italy, welcoming you to another episode of Risk On.
What do we love about Risk On? It's got to be the jokes.
Want to hear one about pizza? Nah, it's too cheesy.
Very impressed with the show, Risk On. I love the panel. I love the commentary.
Yo, what up, Risk On? Happy 100. Naked Army representing.
Yeah. This is Hatchet, Marshall's homeboy.
Look at
LA
LA Story, baby.
Look at that. He's got a Marshall shirt on.
Finance and market news and crypto that I've ever seen. Good work, guys.
I'm a big guy, too. My name's John Frederick, and I'm a big fan of the Risk On show. I made a little bit of money following some of your tips.
Hey guys, it's Jeff Bombshell. Congratulations on reaching 100 episodes. Really enjoy the show. Appreciate the insights, the banter between you all, and look forward to many, many more episodes to come. Congratulations again.
Todd, Marshall, Jason, happy 100th, and thank you for, through insanity, bringing sanity to the insanity that are these markets. And as always, it's good to be the king.
What I like about Risk On is they support and help the Naked Army, including Papa Gorilla.
Hey Risk On, congratulations on your 100th show. This is Rod Wilson from Los Angeles. I watched the show because I'm getting close to retiring and I need to learn how to get my money right.
Hey Todd, Matt here. Love watching you guys. Marshall and Jason representing the Naked Army. Congratulations on your 100th episode.
Dude, what's up with that?
Right?
Dude, that's incredible.
That was
Yikes.
cool. Yeah.
Yikes.
Amazing.
Wow. There we go, man. Wow, I'm overwhelmed. What is your thoughts about the way things have turned out in the last, call it, 13 years?
It's exceeded our greatest hopes, and yet there were times we thought we'd never get here. It's truly, actually, it's a miracle. It's a dead-on miracle what we've been able to actualize, to achieve. Now, at this point in time, with what we've achieved, I think our dreams and aspirations are much greater.
You know, again, I don't see it as risk. But it would be stupid if I didn't take the risk. That's my point. Like, sometimes not taking the risk is a bigger risk.
Well, you know as well as I do. I worked with you so long ago in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. You know, you're trying to spinning a lot of plates. You've stuck to it. You've risen from the ashes. I mean, you didn't ever give up. It's easy to give up, but the harder thing is to go push forward and have people believe in what you're doing. And bring, look at how many people believe in what you're doing now. Look at all the good people you have around you, surrounding you. Now the team you have, it's incredible. I respect all these people. I mean, they're highly intelligent, contribute greatly. The future's real bright.
This is my son, and I've been teaching him Risk On for a long time. And part of that Risk On part is you got to manifest what you want. And I see a lot of people saying they want to do something. Do you really want to do it? Chase knows that somehow we can manifest to get it done. If anyone thought there's a reason why I shouldn't be doing this show, I think there's a reason why we should be doing this show. I think we add value. We don't charge for it. I bring guests on that I hope would help out. And I'm not an ego guy at all. I know that you guys, some of you don't believe that, but this show's for entertainment purposes. But we have to point out occasionally that we provide entertainment with actual information.
This is the best show on the internet.
And you know it's going to change, right? You know that the first 100 won't be anything like the next 100.